Social media. Floyd Shivambu, Julius Malema, and the EFF are currently trending #1 on Twitter. People are divided by the decision made by the Deputy President of the EFF, Floyd Shivambu, and this is what the people have to say, guys. So this one went on to say that the Jacob Zuma and Julius Malema are cooking something for the black mass, and then this one went on to say that the Julius Malema, if you are serious about the fact Floyd has been working behind your back, it is shocking. EFF does not have a good intelligence, or Malema is too naive to understand the politics. This one went on to say that I hope things have not forgotten today's point between Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu. This person posted a mini video where Julius Malema was saying that I told Floyd Shivambu to fire me from the EFF when he feels like I am tired. And this one went on to say that I think it is Dalimpo who is the master behind this. Remember, he's the lawyer for both the political party, is the lawyer for Jacob Zuma as well. He's a part of the EFF. And this one went on to say that he is going back to MK. He should have went back to the ANC. This decision he will regret. So others are saying that Floyd Shivambu was humiliated by Julius Malema. Some are saying that Julius Malema was not taking Floyd serious, and I wonder why he took the decision to go to the MK, guys. Another one went on to say that reacting to when Julius Malema was saying that when he received the letter from Floyd resigning, he felt the same way he felt when his mother passed away. Because of Floyd, it's a brother to him. We feel sorry for Julius Malema. Another one went on to say that I've never seen it. I see Julius Malema so humble. It looks like somebody has passed away. Floyd joining the MK party, it is the strategy moved by Julius Malema, MK party and Floyd. The fact that he will be allowed to come back is a proof to that claim. He can bookmark this post and reminds me 5 years ago. This one went on to say that when friends becomes enemies, trust it is broken. I've never been so heartbroken. This lady even tagged Floyd Shivambu, went on to say that I am heartbroken. Another one went on to say that one can see the pain on Julius Malema's face and voice. It is a sad moment indeed. The people who is very famous on Twitter, Chris Excel went on to say that Floyd MK party, Malema EFF, and then again Tony PA, my voters are still safe. This one went on to say that there's a lot of things happening. This movie is still in the beginning and it's all about to be as sure. It's never that simple. Politics is like a chess. Sit back and watch. And this one is went on to say that it is over and done with EFF. This one went on to say that a friend who becomes an enemy after a little misunderstanding has been an enemy all along. They were just pretending. I don't know if they were pretending. First of all, they are the founder of the freedom fighter, and then this one went on to say that Floyd has confirmed his registration from the political party he helped to shape and form. Shivambu stated that he will now join the MK, guys. There's a lot of things that is going on, and this lady went on to say that I have the privilege to work with both the President Julius Malema and Deputy President Floyd Shivambu. They are both brilliant. All will be well for both the EFF and the MK. It is a new beginning, not the end. A man must do what a man needs to do. Floyd is standing on a business. Some were saying that a job is a job. At the end of the day, you need to choose your mental health. We don't know what is going on. At the end of the day, it is a politic, but whatever it is, guys, it is. Well, others are celebrating the downfall of the EFM. Some are saying it is because Julius Malema like he's so rude, he does not know how to talk to people. So Floyd felt like enough, it is enough, and he decided to go back. He went on to join another political party where he will feel respected. Others are saying that the next person who's gonna move right now, it is Dlozi, guys. Also, maybe he might go to MK, or he might join the PA, or whatever political party he will join. So some are saying that it's time for Julius Malema to learn his lesson. Others are saying that we are really feeling sorry for Julius Malema. Floyd was a brother to Julius Malema. Some are even alleged, saying that maybe this has something to do with the VBC, the money that he was stolen on that bank in Venda, guys. Anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this situation, guys? As I'm speaking to you, everybody has their opinion. Some are saying that he decided to even wear black, so you can see he's not even wearing any political clothes. He decided to come with black, like he was ready to leave it. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. God bless you. Bye.